WordPress Marketing Security Tips Against Hacking for WordPress Beginners. It is true WordPress marketing is one of the most powerful marketing tools available on the internet today, but it can be abused. What is even better, is against popular belief, WordPress can be used for more than just blogging. You can even create your own website through WordPress. When you are using your WordPress marketing software, however, there are a few WordPress security measures that you should be aware of, or you can risk being deleted from the Google search engine. 1. WordPress Plugins. You need to be sure that you check all WordPress plugins before you add them to your website. A lot of the third-party WordPress plugins are sometimes created by untrustworthy people. They create the WordPress plugin in an effort to steal your blog or website. Some of these WordPress plugins have also already been banned from Google. For your protection, if Google sees that you are using the banned WordPress plugins, they will delete your website from their search engine as well. 2. Recent version of WordPress. Make sure that you are using a recent version of WordPress. This is due to the fact that every software has bugs or errors that are corrected each time a new WordPress version is released. When you use the latest version of WordPress, you're avoiding these issues. You need to understand that even the most recent WordPress versions can have errors, so you need to be careful. A good practice to get into is before you download the most recent version of WordPress, is do some research. Look for possible problems that others have encountered. If there seems to be a lot of problems, do not download WordPress until they have the issues resolved. 3. Admin account. All hackers know that WordPress has a user admin feature. This feature will allow you to do just about any administrative job available on the WordPress software. Hackers are always looking for ways to hack your WordPress website. Instead, create WordPress admin privileges by using the administration feature. After you have done this, then you will need to log out of WordPress and log back in. Then you should delete the admin user. The new admin user should be different from your original one. 4. Password protect. You need to be sure that you password protects your WordPress website the minute you install it. This will give you an extra layer of protection against hackers. Please note though, if you have a weak password for your WordPress website, the hackers can still break through, so come up with a password that contains a combination of both numbers and letters. The harder you make the password, the less chance the hacker has of gaining access to your WordPress website. 5. Rename your WordPress database tables. Hackers who attack your WordPress website will need access to the database table names. The WordPress marketing software allows you to change your table names in order to prevent hackers from attacking your tables. These are just a few of the security measures that you can use to prevent your WordPress website from getting banned from Google when you are hacked. There are many other available ways you can protect your WordPress website, and you can find them by typing in security for WordPress into any search engine. Practicing these WordPress security steps now can save you a lot of time and money later. We hope you enjoyed this WordPress tutorial for beginners. If you would like to learn how to set up your own WordPress website, then click the link in the description below this video to get free instant access to our free WordPress tutorial videos for beginners. If you liked this video, please like and share this video with someone you think this info may help. Have a great day.